Myself Siddharth. Myself Janvi of first year. Today we are ready to present a creative assembly on the topic Jump, Stretch and Shine. So I request everyone to join our hands for prayer service. As we lift the earth, O Lord, we ask you to set our heart on fire with love for you. May this faith is represent your love, power and nature, but bright in us and shine through us so that we and the world may know the wonder of your love.
ಹೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮಂಡಿ ಮಡಚಿ ಮೇಲೆಗರಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ಮಂಡಿ ಮಡಚಿ ಮೇಲೆಗರಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ. ಬಲಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಡಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿರಿ. ಬಲಗೆ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿರಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ಬಲಗೆ ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿರಿ ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ, ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನ.
Cycling makes our legs strong and improve balance. Skipping makes our body fit and help us jump better. Dancing makes us happy and keeps our whole body moving. Straight climbing centers our legs and gives more energy. Push-ups make us our arms and shoulders strong. Pull-ups help build and strong our arms and back. Make your legs and tummy strong. Yoga keeps the body calm, healthy and flexible. Martial arts teaches discipline, self-confidence and strength. Thought for the day. Exercise not only it changes your body, it changes your mind, attitude and mood. Thank you. And Assembly Std to constitute India